1/3 of the country is underwater. Pakistan is currently battling its worst monsoon floods in a decade, which has killed more than 1,100 people, caused more than $10 billion in damages and submerged nearly a third of the country. Also, the United Nations issued a $160 million flash appeal to help Pakistan deal with the floods. Key points. According to Pakistan's National Disaster Management Authority, more than 33 million people have been affected by this year's floods. It can be said that 1 in 7 Pakistanis have been affected by this flood. This year's floods can be compared to the 2010 floods. It was the worst flood ever, in which more than 2,000 people died. The Swat Valley in Pakistan's northern Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, where millions of people live, has been largely cut off from the rest of the country by damaged infrastructure and floodwaters, due to which the local residents are facing shortage of food and medicine. Intermittent rains for weeks have flooded millions of acres of rich agricultural land, but now the Indus is threatening to break its banks as water streams flow north through tributaries. Prices of basic goods, especially onions, tomatoes and chickpeas, are rising sharply, as vendors are troubled by the lack of supplies from the flooded breadbasket provinces of Sindh and Punjab.